Hi, it's Jimmy from the Productive Engineer. And today I'm going to be showing you the new upcoming view in Todoist. Todoist has replaced the next 7 days view with the upcoming view, and it is a little different. So I wanted to give you sort of what's different between the next 7 days view and the upcoming view, as well as how to use the upcoming view to um, manage your tasks. So stay tuned. Before we get started, if you like this video, please click the like button as it really helps me out. If you want to see more videos and tutorials on how to use apps like Todoist, Notion, Evernote, Google Docs, Google Sheets, or any other application, you really should subscribe to my channel because that's what this channel is all about, is helping you be more productive using these apps. And if you want to be notified when I release a new video, please click the bell. Thanks. Okay, so let's get started. So as you can see, the UI for Todoist is pretty much unchanged except for the next 7 days entry has now been changed to upcoming. So when you click on upcoming, so if you're like in your inbox and you click on upcoming, um, what you'll see is a little different. So it'll show you everything that you have coming up for the next 2 years up so in upcoming. So if you keep putting dates in, you can actually scroll all the way to 2 years into the future, up to 2 years in the future. So one of the key things you can do here is you'll show you a week at a time, and then if you want to scroll, you can come up here in this upper right hand corner of the UI and click on this, and you can actually see when I hover over it says next week. If I click on that, it'll show me the next week, and I can click it again and again to hover through the weeks. I can also just go back to today by clicking the go to today button, and that'll take me back as well to the current day. Another nice little touch of the UI here is if you notice on days that I have tasks like today, Friday, and Sunday, um, I have a little dot under the date shows if you have a task due on that day. So I have one that's due today. I have one that's due Friday, and if I toggle, you'll see here on the third I have one as well. So that's a really quick indicator of days that you have free. So if you're quickly looking, visually looking to scan your next week in the current week to see when you have a day that might be totally free, it's a quick little indicator that shows you that. So in this case, I'd see Thursday and Saturday as an example. You can also just scroll this way and go through your tasks. If you want to go to a specific day, you can actually come over here to where it says the month and the day. So the month and the year that you're currently in. Click on that, and you can actually come down. So let's say I want to see what's happening on the 5th. I can click on the 5th, and it'll take me there, and then I'll see, that week, that entire week's view from Sunday to Saturday. I clicked on the 5th, which is a Tuesday. And you can see that I have a task there. If I want to, one of the cool things you can do is you can actually just click and drag. So let's say I wanted to move this out from Tuesday to Thursday the 7th. I can just click and drag it to the 7th and then let go. And then it will change. And you can see now the dot that was under the 5th is now under the 7th. And that entry is in the 7th. I can go back to today by just clicking today. It takes me back to today. I can edit all the tasks just like I normally do. So I can come into like this vacation planning one. If I wanted to add a subtask, go on a trip. And I can say that I want to schedule that for May 20th. I can hit add task and then exit out. And then I can actually go. Let's say I wanted to confirm that it happened on May 20th. I could go to May 20th. And now I see go on trip, right? So it's really kind of cool how you can manipulate your tasks using the upcoming view. It's much more flexible, obviously, than the next 7 days because the next 7 days literally only told you what the next week would be from the day you currently are on, whereas this gives you much more. This view is much more flexible in terms of being able to toggle in and out of it and sort of customizing it to the way you want it to be. So I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Just wanted to give you, again, a quick overview of how the upcoming view works and how it's different than the next 7 days. If you liked this video, please click the like button as it helps out the channel. If you are interested in seeing more videos from me on how to use productivity apps like Todoist, Notion, Evernote, and other apps, please click that subscribe button because that's what this channel is all about. If you want to be notified when I release new videos, please click the bell. Thank you.